Hi everyone. Once again I am back with a new Excel function that is called WRAPROWS. This function is the horizontal sibling to WRAPROWS. It transforms a single row or column of data into a two-dimensional grid by filling row first. Let's understand how it works. Horizontal priority. Excel start at the top left and fills the first row from the left to right. The snap, once it hits your wrap count, it snaps down to the start of the next row. Its syntax is equals to wrap rows, bracket start, Victor, and comma, wrap count, comma, pad width. So first understand what is Victor. It's required the data, the long list or range you want to resave. The wrap count required the max number of value in each row. Once reached, the Excel wrap to the next line. And pad width, it's optional what to show if the last row isn't full, it's default and no. So let's understand the benefit of this function. This function is turning a list into the table, ideal for taking a single column of name, IDs and dates and converting them into a three-column table. Clean layouts, great for creating mailing labels or catalog grid where you want to a specific number of items per line. It's a dynamic reshaping. If your source list grows, the grid expand automatically, keeping your layout consistent. In summary, WrapRows is your tool for turning a long string of data into standard table formats. So now let's understand to learn practically. So let's move on to the Excel. See here we have some data which we need to apply WrapRows, and here we can apply, here we apply WrapRows and select the vector, that is array, you can say. And now we need these above details into the six team, with each team has two member. So here we put 6 and close the bracket and hit the enter. You will get the details like this. So in this basis you can use and utilize a WrapRows function at your workplace, in your day-to-day work. So hope you guys have enjoyed this learning. Thank you for watching. We'll meet you in the next video with the next topic. Thanks for watching and a happy learning. Please like and subscribe the channel if you like this video.